Hello friends, welcome to Dream Weaver Crocheting with Love. In class 1 tutorial, we had learned how to work slip knot in two different methods along with the chains. In my class 2 tutorial of basics of crocheting, we are going to learn how to work a single crochet. Here is a small pattern that I have worked. As you can see, this is made up of single crochet. A single crochet is a very basic stitch. You can use single crochet stitch for making a headband for little babies or a waistband. It can be also used to make a button strap in cardigans as well as for making a waist of a frock. It will look very pretty. So let's see how a single crochet is worked upon. So let's begin. For this project I am using a ball of yarn along with a needle hook which is of 3.5 mm. In class 1 tutorial I have taught you how to work a slip knot. You can work as you need it in any of the methods. Now for this sample I am going to work a 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Using these 15 chains, I am going to show you how to work a single crochet. Now, we have to skip the first chain from the hook. That is this chain. I am going to insert my hook into the second chain. See. And then pull this yarn to this chain. Now I have two chains on my hook. We have to pull the yarn through this two chains and thus one single crochet is formed. Once again I shall explain. We have to insert the hook into the chain like this. Pull the yarn through this chain. We will have two chains, two loops on our hook. Now we have to yarn over and pull the yarn through both the loops. I'll explain one more time. You have to insert the hook into the chain like this. Pull the yarn through the chain. We will have two loops on the hook. Now yarn over and again pull the yarn through both the loops. So isn't it easy? So this is how a single crochet is being worked. Single crochet can also be used for making laces or cords, anything, or a strap for bonnets, and looks pretty nice. I hope this design is clear to you. I'll work till the end of the row. Just watch out. Now I have come to the end of the row. Now to turn over, you have to just chain one and turn. And then work on top of the single crochet row which was worked previously. Now I have to insert my hook into the first single crochet. Pull the yarn through this single crochet. I will have two loops on my hook. Now I have to yarn over and pull the yarn through both the loops. Again, I have to insert my hook into the second single crochet. Pull the yarn through the single crochet. I will have two yarns on the hook. Again, I have to yarn over and pull the yarn through both the loops. So in this way, we can work as many rows as we need for making any project that I mentioned earlier. So I hope this is clear by now. And I wish that you would be able to do any projects related to simple things like making a waistband or making a wristband, anything of that sort, using this stitch. The only drawback with single crochet is that since it's a smaller stitch, the height of the project won't increase. It will take time as we have to work many rows to have a bigger length of project or bigger length of any band, whatever. But it looks very pretty and the stitches are very near. It will give a neat look for the project. So I hope this video was useful for you. Okay, thanks for watching. So let's meet up with the next interesting video.